Hi there, students. To thaw, or as a noun, the thaw. To thaw is another word for to melt, to slowly go from frozen to unfrozen. I took a chicken out of the freezer and left it to thaw for 24 hours. Last week it was very cold and there was snow and ice everywhere. But this morning the sun has come out and it has started to thaw. You can use this, the thaw, the weather. For example, in parts of Canada, everything is frozen all winter. And then the thaw comes in late spring. Or the weather forecast could say snow and ice for the next couple of days, followed by a thaw, a melting of the snow and ice. Now, we can also use this verb to thaw figuratively, meaning to become less formal and more friendly, to become more relaxed and gentle. At first, these people were really unfriendly, but after a couple of drinks, they thawed. His bad temper thawed after I made him laugh. Yeah, so to become less bad-tempered, to become more agreeable, to be more friendly. The tense atmosphere thawed as we got to know each other better. Or maybe the thawing of East-West relations. Yeah, the Cold War, has it thawed? I'm not sure. So, to thaw, to melt, to go from frozen to unfrozen. You will have to thaw the freezer before you can clean it. An improvement of relations. She was really angry and refused to talk to me, but I brought her some roses and finally she thawed. She started talking to me again. Okay, next question, formality. I think I'd probably give this a 5 in formality. You could use it informally and you can use it very formally. So something nice and flexible. And then we have an origin. In Old English, there was a word thawian, meaning to melt. And that's where the idea of to thaw came from. So to thaw, to go from frozen to unfrozen, or to become less unfriendly. Okay? So the meeting thawed when both sides realised they were going to make some money. So, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.